Hey guys, this is how to set up orbits using an app called Explain Everything. So if you just hop into Explain Everything, we're going to make a new project with a blank canvas. I'm going to add pictures, and I'm just going to hit existing audio, existing images, all photos, and you can see I've already downloaded my sun. I've downloaded Earth and Moon. It's smaller than that, right? Cool. So the whole point of doing this video is to animate them. What we need to do now is, if you see down on the side, there's a little eye. So hit the eye, and I'm going to drag around. Try not to get the sun. Do that again. Not the sun. Just the Earth and the Moon. I think you can also tap one at a time, and then group by hitting group. So once that's done, tap set auto rotation, which is there. Set auto rotation. It looks a little bit messy, so I've got 3 different circles. Each of those circles helps me to spin one of the objects. The red one is for the group, so the red one is going to spin both the Earth and the Moon. So I want to spin them both around the sun, so I'm going to place that there. Don't put any speed yet, because it's going to make it harder to do the others. Alright, next I'm going to take the Moon's dot. Do you see the dot? The little plus sign there? That's the center of rotation. I'm going to place that right on the Earth there. And I'm going to give the Moon a speed, let's say 8. This is rounds per minute, so that's, if I say 8, that's how many times it will go around the Earth in 1 minute. If we like, we can go a bit faster. 12's not too bad. If I do need to move the position of the Moon, I'm just going to hit 0 again and tap the hand, and I can move them like that. To change the position of the Moon, I would have to ungroup, so I'm not going to do that. So back to eye, back to set auto rotation, and what did we said? I said about 12 is good. Right, and the next one is with the red circle and the red cross as close to the center of the sun as I can. Give it a speed. It's going to go obviously a lot slower than the Moon, so the Moon's going around 12 times. Call that 12 times a year, which is about right. And the Earth is going around once a year. And so now I've got my little animation of the orbits. Guys, if you wanted to add a background, you could as well. And you just do that here with the pictures again. I've already downloaded one. You'd have to grab that yourself. Do that, and then hit I. And then how do you layer? Right. Hit I, and then where it says arrange, I'm just going to send backward until I can see all the things. So I've sent the stars to the back where they belong. And that's done. So that's how to do it.